Human silhouette with body parts marked in red. Imagine a simple silhouette of the human body, colored in black or gray. Now picture certain areas glowing red, drawing your attention immediately. These red-marked parts highlight important regions, places where something unusual, vulnerable, or significant is happening inside us. Today, we'll explore what it means when parts of the human body are marked in red, and why those areas deserve special attention. The head and brain. Starting at the top, the head often lights up in red to represent the brain, the control center of your entire body. The brain is an incredibly complex organ, responsible for thought, memory, emotion, and movement. Red marks here might symbolize pain or injury, like headaches or migraines, or deeper concerns like strokes. When you experience a headache, the red might represent inflammation or heightened nerve activity. Migraines, for example, involve blood vessels and nerve pathways that become overactive, causing pain. Brain injuries or neurological diseases also often manifest as red marks in medical illustrations, emphasizing urgency and care. The heart and chest. Moving down, the chest area, especially the heart, is another commonly marked red area. The heart pumps blood, delivering oxygen and nutrients vital for survival. Red marks here can indicate heart attacks, angina, or inflammation. If you feel pain or discomfort in this region, it's important to understand that it might signal something serious. The red highlight reminds us how crucial the heart is, and how delicate the balance of its function remains. Lungs and respiratory system. Next to the heart are the lungs, often marked in red to indicate breathing problems. Conditions such as asthma, pneumonia, or infections can cause inflammation, restricting airflow. Red here symbolizes irritation or damage, warning signs your body sends when your breathing system is under threat. Stomach and digestive organs. Lower on the torso, the stomach and digestive organs can be highlighted in red to show areas affected by ulcers, acid reflux, or infections like gastritis. Red marks here might also indicate cramps or pain caused by indigestion. Digestive health is complex, and red highlights on this part of the silhouette suggest discomfort or dysfunction in a system that breaks down food and absorbs nutrients. Joints, shoulders, elbows, knees. Moving to the limbs, joints such as shoulders, elbows, and knees are often marked red in illustrations to show inflammation or injury. Red here may represent arthritis, bursitis, or tendinitis, conditions that cause pain, swelling, and reduced mobility. These red marks serve as a reminder that joints are vulnerable and require care, as they bear the weight and motion of our bodies daily. Hands and wrists. The hands and wrists may also be highlighted in red, indicating carpal tunnel syndrome or repetitive strain injuries. These areas are highly sensitive and complex, filled with nerves, tendons, and tiny bones. Red marks here suggest nerve compression or inflammation, often due to repetitive movements like typing or texting, which can lead to pain or numbness. Lower back and spine. The lower back is a notorious red-marked area, symbolizing common pain caused by muscle strain, herniated discs, or sciatica. Red here alerts us to one of the most frequent sources of discomfort worldwide. The spine's health is crucial as it protects the spinal cord, a vital communication highway between the brain and body. Inflammation or injury to this area can impact many body functions. Hips and pelvis. The hips and pelvis are sometimes highlighted in red to show joint problems or pelvic pain, which can result from injuries, arthritis, or other conditions. These red areas emphasize the importance of stability and support for the body's weight and movement. Legs and feet. Finally, the legs and feet may have red marks indicating circulation problems, muscle cramps, or nerve pain. Conditions like varicose veins, peripheral neuropathy, or plantar fasciitis cause pain or discomfort, often represented by red highlights. These areas are essential for mobility and balance, and red marks remind us to pay attention to any unusual sensations or pain. What do red marks mean? Red is the color of blood, heat, and warning. When body parts are marked red, it usually signals inflammation, injury, irritation, or pain. In medical images, red grabs our attention, telling us where problems might lie. Sometimes red marks highlight areas vulnerable to disease or strain. Other times, they point to sites where healing is happening or where symptoms are most noticeable. Why understanding these areas matters. Knowing which parts of your body are lit up in red helps you understand your health better. It reminds you to listen to your body's signals. Pain, discomfort, or unusual sensations are messages. Regular checkups, mindful movement, good nutrition, and stress management can help keep these red areas healthy or minimize their problems. The human body, a complex system. A human silhouette with red-marked areas is more than an image. It's a map of our body's vulnerabilities and strengths. Every red mark tells a story of pain, protection, or the body's incredible effort to heal. Your body constantly communicates through signals, some subtle, others urgent. Paying attention to those red flags can make all the difference. Next time you see a human figure with red marks highlighting parts of the body, remember, those marks are windows into your health. They show where your body needs care, rest, or attention. Your body is a marvel of biology, capable of healing and adaptation, but also fragile in certain ways. By understanding what those red areas mean, you take the first step toward listening deeply and caring better for yourself.